In today's video, I'm going to teach you Measure Customer Acquisition in Google Analytics 4. We'll walk through the essential places in GA4 to see which channels bring people to your site and which of those visits actually lead to valuable actions. This is perfect whether you're using the GA4 demo account or your own property. First, head to the left-hand menu and open Reports. This is your hub for the standard overviews. Before you dive in, it's a good idea to glance at the date range in the top right so you're looking at a meaningful window, like the last 28 days, and consider using the Compare toggle to see changes over time. Next, open the Acquisition section. Here's where GA4 organizes how users find you. The view we want is the Traffic Acquisition Report. This report groups your traffic by channel, such as organic search, paid search, direct, email, and referral, using GA4's default channel definitions. Think of it as your high-level scoreboard for marketing performance. As you scan the table, focus on a few key metrics. New users shows how many first-time visitors each channel attracted. Sessions counts total visits from both new and returning users, which helps you understand volume. Engagement rate tells you the quality of that traffic by showing the percentage of sessions that were meaningfully engaged. High engagement alongside strong volume is a great sign that a channel is bringing the right audience. Now look closely at the Key Events column. In GA4, key events are what many people used to call conversions, actions that matter to your business, like a purchase or a lead submission. Sort by the Key Events metric to quickly see which channels are driving the most valuable outcomes. If purchases are especially important to you, make sure that purchase is marked as a key event in your setup so it appears here. This is where channel performance turns from visits into results. Once you've reviewed the overview, move into Explore for deeper analysis. The Explore workspace lets you build custom breakdowns. For example, swapping channel group for campaign names to see which specific campaigns brought the most users or key events. You can drag in dimensions like default channel group or campaign, and add metrics such as new users, sessions, engagement rate, and key events. Save any exploration you find useful so you can revisit it and share consistent insights with your team. That's the workflow. Reports, acquisition, traffic acquisition for the big picture, the key events column for outcomes, and explore when you need custom, campaign-level clarity. Follow these steps regularly to monitor what's working, double down on the winning channels, and improve your overall acquisition strategy.